In more than 20 years of public life, my goal always has been to make a difference to our country for the benefit of our people. I have served in 4 different governments since July 2014, with much of this time as Minister for Finance and Minister for Public Expenditure. In these offices, my aim has been to build a better and fairer Ireland through careful management of our economy and our public finances. I have done my utmost to discharge this duty in the long-term interests of our people. And the opportunity has now presented itself for me to further contribute to this cooperation at a different level. I will soon be taking up the role of Managing Director and Chief Knowledge Officer of the World Bank Group based in Washington, D.C. I am therefore departing from public life in Ireland. I have informed my party leader and Taoiseach, Simon Harris TD, of my intention to resign as Minister for Finance effective from today, and I will also tender my resignation to Dáil Éireann later this week.